We invite you to watch the video on the Aquaculture Farm channel.
Asayana, located in Mugi Town, Tochigi Prefecture, is the largest yanaba along the Naka River. Yana's real joy is catching sweet fish with her hands while feeling the strong current of the Nakagawa River. Especially from late September to late October, you can experience ayu fishing in large numbers. In the fall, sweet fish store nutrients to prepare for reproduction. The male's testicles and female ovaries mature. They then travel down the river and upstream to spawn downstream. One of the methods of catching sweet fish that falls at this time is yana fishing. This method has been applied in the upper and middle reaches of the Nagara River since ancient times. Yana fishing is a method of fishing in which a funnel-shaped dam is built of stone and bamboo on the river. At the same time, build bamboo cages where the flow is narrowed to catch them. The sweet fish were swept away by the water. I visited Shigega's Yana in Yamadacho, Gujo City, where the Nagara River flows through. In August, about 10 people worked together and spent about a week. The hardest and most important part is adjust the angle and balance of the part called the pillow, where the freshwater fish slides into the cage. It is said that every few years they catch a big fish that they cannot catch, and sometimes they fish all night. Fish often enter the river when it rains heavily and the river water rises. It is said that even sweet fish that come down from the tip of the tail will jump headfirst into the canal when there is a big catch. While smelling the sweet fish being grilled over charcoal, look out at the Nagara River and listen to the sound of flowing water. As I approached the canal where the water was falling, I was overwhelmed by the power of the river. At Yana, where the wisdom of our ancestors has been passed down, you can enjoy wild-caught Gujo sweet fish. I ate the whole fish, from hot grilled fish with salt to taiyaki fish, fried and simmered to satisfy my cravings. Sweet fish fall season has finally arrived. Zeman Morio, who has been driving a fishing boat for more than 40 years, explains the traditional fishing methods passed down in this area. This place was originally called Shigegas and seems to have had a warehouse since the Taisho period. It was swept away by the Ice Bay storm during the Showa period, and Mr. Morio and his colleagues revived it. Yana fishing is a traditional fishing method in which ayu, sweetfish, are caught by erecting wooden or bamboo scaffolding in the river to catch the ayu as they fall into the river to spawn. Yana fishing is said to have been introduced from China and is practiced in many places in Japan, but Guizhou is where you can enjoy Yana fishing as a tourist. In Guizhou, to protect the precious natural environment and the lively ayu fish that grows there,